How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add snap connectors in Bambu Studio. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your model or your object, and then you want to perform a cut by choosing the cut function on your model. Now, you want to cut the part where you want to apply the connector. So in my case, I'm going to be cutting it this way. And then it's really important to click on the add connectors. Of course, you have the ability to select the shape of the connector. So in my case, I'm going to do something like hexagon. And then this is where most people get it wrong because you actually have to click on the cut section right here. So I want to place my connector on the middle of the shape or on the middle of the model. And then of course you have the ability to edit out the depth ratio, the size itself, and more. And so guys, that's how you do it. Just click on the confirm connector, click perform cut, and you will be able to see your snap connectors right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.